Omaha Steaks box came. Thank you, Mom and Dad. Thank you, Jesus. For frame of reference, I just brought some laundry in off the line. It's the same size as a laundry basket. It kind of comes up to my knee. So that's a pretty big box. All right, let's see what we got in here. Got my handy dandy. Never leave home without Swiss Army knife. Always on my person. Anyone who would ever want to jump me. I'm just kidding. It's just helpful. What? And yes, for those who don't know, I have celiacs, so I get a good gluten-free selection in here. Ooh, those look good. Okay, let's see what we got. Pardon my jankety. We got some seasoning. We'll have to do further research to see if this is okay. I make my own seasonings. What is this? Jumbo Franks. We got pub-style battered cod. That goes to the kiddos since it's battered. They love fish. Marinated salmon fillets. Ooh, that one is mine. Ground beef rib burgers. What? Not wait to put those on the grill. Sole almondine. Love it. Scalloped potatoes. Oh, so good. Meatballs. Tons of meatballs. Ground burgers. Sockeye salmon with skin on. And last but not least, cooked jumbo shrimp. As a fish and meat lover that has been eating tofu for about weeks now, I am very blessed. Excited.